Stuck with a home you need gone like yesterday? Discover the local service turning Corpus Christi houses into cash in as little as 7 days. Led by veteran broker David Garcia, the David Will Buy It program gives sellers a no repair, no showing cash offer option backed by 25 years of market expertise. Traditional listings drag on with inspections, lender delays, and buyer fallout. Cash offers skip fees and let you close on the date you choose. Step 1, request an offer online or by phone. 2, a quick walkthrough. 3, a firm written price within 24 hours. 4, pick closing and collect your check. Most sellers pocket funds in 7 to 14 days, saving average repair costs of $15,000 and bypassing 6% agent commissions. With the Guaranteed Sale program, David promises that if your listed home does not move, he steps in with a pre-agreed purchase, giving total peace of mind. Tap the link or call the number on screen and let our team turn your Coastal Bend property into cash on your timeline.